Hi, my name is John Cosby. This project is a Magic the Gathering database system for my COP 4703 class. This project is a database system designed to manage Magic the Gathering cards, user collections, and decks. The goal is to organize data using relational tables and retrieve meaningful information using SQL queries. What is Magic the Gathering? Magic the Gathering is a popular trading card game where players collect cards and build decks to compete against each other. Each card has different attributes like color, type, and rarity, which makes managing large collections complex. This project helps organize and manage that data efficiently. Why I chose this project. I chose this project because I'm interested in gaming, and it's a good example of real-world system that uses relationships between different types of data. It also gave me practice designing a relational database with multiple connected tables. Also, I play Magic the Gathering online and in person, have a pretty extensive collection myself, so it was cool to make a database that was just kind of, works with something that I'm interested in and would work for the project. This is my ER diagram. It shows the structure of the database. The main entities include users, cards, card sets, colors, collections, decks, and deck cards. The relationships show how users own cards, cards belong to sets, and decks contain multiple cards. The main entities in this system are users, cards, card sets, colors, collections, decks, and deck cards. These tables represent the core components of the database. The database uses primary keys and foreign keys to maintain relationships between tables. For example, the collection table connects users and cards, and the deck cards table connects decks and cards. Here I'm showing sample data from the cards table. Instead of inserting data during the demo, I'm displaying the total number of rows and the first 5 records as required by the project guidelines. This confirms that the database has been populated with working data. And now we'll go through some queries that I've worked on. I've picked out 5 different ones here that you can see. I'm just going to show them to you on here briefly, and then I'll go one by one in more detail about what each one of these execute. So this query calculates the total number of cards each user owns. It joins the users and collection tables and uses grouping to sum the number of cards per user. This shows the most owned cards by grouping the collection data and sorting the results. It helps identify which cards appear most frequently in user collections. This calculates the total number of cards in each deck and filters the results using a halving clause. It demonstrates how group data can be filtered. This displays each card along with its color by joining multiple tables. It demonstrates a many-to-many relationship between cards and colors. This shows each user's collection along with additional details like card rarity. It combines multiple tables to provide more meaningful information. Some possible improvements if I had some more time, and I might continue to work on this, I would add a user interface to make the system easier to use. I would consider integrating an API to automatically update card data, and possibly add features like advanced search or deck validation. Overall, this project demonstrates how a relational database can be used to organize and manage complex data like card collections and decks. It also shows how SQL queries can be used to retrieve meaningful information. Thank you very much.